Hello, very good morning to all of you. So, my dears, we are going to start a new concept on today. Letter. Okay, letters. We will see letters. Okay. So, letter is a written form of communication. Okay. Letter is written form of communication, and that is addressed to a specific person or organization. So, what is letter? Letter is written form of communication that is addressed to a specific person or organization. It is one of the easiest way. It is one of the easiest and non-expensive way of communication. It is one of the easiest and non-expensive way of communication. The relationship between a writer, okay, writer and institution, a relationship between writer and a receiver determine, okay, determine a letter written. Okay, how you write the letter, it determines the relationship between a writer and a receiver. So there are several way of writing letters. Okay, so we classified letter in two form. Okay, formal and informal letters. Okay, formal letters, we write to schools principal, we write to organization, institution, government departments. Okay, we write formal letter. Okay, where we write formal letter to school principals. Okay, and to any institution, organization, school, university, and government officials. We write and like write to editor. Okay, we write formal letter. If we want to give to letter to editor, and we want publish through the steam column of newspaper, so we write letter to editor, institution, school, government buildings. So it can be, okay, formal letters. And if we talk about informal letter, so we write to our friend, our relative, our family member. If you need money from your father, so you write informal letter. If you want to congrats your friend on his brilliant success, you write informal letter. Okay, if your friend have got if your friend has got highest position in exam, so you congratulate by informal letter. Okay, so we'll see the body of letters. Okay, how to make letter. So first we talk about parts of the letter. Okay, so number one, on the top left hand side, on the top, okay, your address, we mention our address. Okay, on the top left hand side. Then after address we mention date. Below the address we mention date. Okay, then we go for salutation. Okay, so there we write receiver's name, his designation. Okay, we write receiver's name or designation after date, below the date. Okay, then salutation, we start from salutation. Okay, and we write subject also. There we can write subject or object of given theme or on given subject. Okay, then we start by salutation. Okay, and after salutation we write introduction. Okay, so here we can divide our paragraph. Okay, we can divide the letter in para. Okay, introduction, then body, and then we can conclude our letter. Okay, and closing, we can close the letter by our name or signature. Okay, or sign. So let's see some of important letters. Okay, we are going to deal. So now this time we are taking applications. Okay, application also a form of formal letters. Okay, we can keep application in formal letters. So we have application to see. Okay, so here first application related to character certificate. Okay, so you are Deepshikha Arora, you have passed DAB public school, you have passed from the school. Okay, and write an application to your principal requesting him to issue a character certificate as you need one of the university admission. So you have passed uh, your schooling and you wanted to join university, a different university. So for it you need character certificate from principal sir. Okay, so on the top, okay, here in application no need to keep the address. Okay, so from where you start to the principal. Okay, DAB public school. Okay, then Indore. then date, you can mention date, then subject, issuing character certificate. Okay, application for issuing character certificate. Then you just start by salutation, respected sir. So then you can mention, I Deepshikha Arora passed out from your school and academic year. Then I am pleased to inform you, okay, that I have passed my senior secondary exam with a very high percentage. You have got very high percentage in your senior secondary certificate exam and you have passed very well. So you inform to your principal, sir. It is a matter of honor for the school and for the you also. Then I have secured admission in the prestigious College of Engineering Science, Pune. So you have got the admission on the basis of your highest mark. Okay, you have got admission in a well-renowned university in Pune. Okay. So then you can change your para. Okay. So I am writing this application to request you. Now you are requesting to issue character certificate. Okay, so that you can get admission. That you can get the admission. Okay, you can secure your admission. So you completed all the formality of admission. Only you are waiting for your character certificate. So that's why you are requesting to principal sir to issue character certificate for you. Okay, then at last thanking you, thank you very much. Then subscription. Okay, at last subscription means you are truly, you are faithfully, you are obediently, you are sincerely. Okay, then your name. So very easy to deal with character certificate. Okay, now one more application we are going to see, change of section. Okay, so section change also very easy to deal. Okay, you want to change your section, so first write to the principal, so and so school, the place, then date. Okay, then subject, change of section, you want to change your section. So respected sir or ma'am, okay, this is a request from my side. You mention your name, you are a student of school. Okay, then I got promoted to 9th standard. Okay, you have got promotion in 8th or 9th standard this year. Okay, and their Hindi is optional subject. Okay, but you like Sanskrit, you like deal with Devvani Sanskrit, so that's why you need to change your section. Okay, and your current section is Hindi and you wanted to change your section as you want to get optional subject Sanskrit in place of Hindi. So that's why you request to change your section. Okay, at the earliest, because the study is going on, so you don't want to miss any class, okay, of Sanskrit, so you want to change your section. Okay, then if we talk about more letters, so in sanitary condition, yes, you want a formal letter to authority to check in sanitary condition in your local area. Okay, so here in this letter, in this module, we have seen application where we didn't mention the address, but in this module we have to keep the address with it. Okay, in it. So first on the top you write address. Okay, then below it you write date, you mention date, then you just write the name of receiver. Okay, and designation and post. So address, date, the chairman, okay, municipal corporation, civil line, so and so, address, name, post and address. Then subject means object of letter. So check in sanitary condition, in sanitary condition of sector so and so. Respected sir, okay, so I want to draw your notice. Okay, this is a matter to draw your notice. Okay, for locality. Okay, locality, so there is a problem in your residential area, so you want to just explain everything about the problem. Okay, so the traffic has increased at your area. Okay, and accidents taking place in your area, then there is no any proper what name, in sanitary condition in your locality. There are heaps of garbage here and there. Okay, pig, cattles, and the street dog also wandering here and there, and it is a big risk to pass from the house. Okay, and many times you are chased by these animal, cattles, pig or dogs. Okay, and the place is very filthy, and the cleaning part is not coming regularly, and when you talk to them, so they argue with them. So that's why you want to draw the attention of responsible authority. So you must check, okay, you are requesting to in sanitary inspector to check this situation, okay, and any maybe it will be chance of epidemic spread in your area otherwise, okay. So you don't want to suffer from any epidemic, okay, so you want to keep safe your family and yourself and the residential of the area. So that's why you request to sanitary inspector to maintain proper cleanliness and regular cleanliness, okay. So you request for that. At last, I hope you consider this as an urgent requirement, because it is an urgent requirement. So you hope for earliest paying attention from sanitary inspector. Then at last thanking you, and then you subscribe yourself. Subscription means your sincerely and your name. You can write your name. So it was about this.